Welcome to Parma, a charming city renowned for its rich culinary heritage, including Parmigiano Reggiano cheese and Parma ham, as well as its elegant architecture like the Romanesque cathedral and pink marble Baptistery. It is located in northern Italy's Emilia-Romagna region, roughly halfway between Milan and Bologna. Our journey begins at the Palazzo del Governatore, whose striking yellow facade and central clock tower dominate Piazza Giuseppe Garibaldi, the bustling heart of Parma. Originally built in the 13th century and later remodeled in Baroque style, the palace now hosts contemporary art exhibitions and cultural events. Piazza Giuseppe Garibaldi itself is a lively square filled with cafes, shops, and historic buildings, serving as a popular gathering place for locals and visitors alike. The Cattedrale di Parma, a stunning Romanesque cathedral dedicated to the Assumption of the Virgin Mary, features an impressive facade and a richly decorated interior. Inside, visitors marvel at the magnificent frescoes, including Correggio's famous dome painting of the Assumption. The cathedral, built mainly in the 12th century, stands as a symbol of Parma's religious and artistic heritage. Parma's inner city is a charming maze of narrow cobblestone streets lined with pastel-colored buildings and elegant porticos. Wandering these lanes reveals hidden courtyards, artisan shops, and inviting cafes where locals savor espresso or a glass of lambrusco. The intimate scale and historic atmosphere make exploring the old town feel like stepping back in time. Piazza della Pilotta is the grand courtyard nestled within the Palazzo della Pilotta complex in Parma's historic center, framed by triple-arched facades and cobblestones that echo its ducal and cultural past. Today, the square serves as a vibrant cultural hub, surrounded by the National Gallery, Teatro Farnese, Biblioteca Palatina, and Archaeological Museum, hosting exhibitions, performances, and peaceful social gatherings under its imposing Renaissance arches. The Basilica di Santa Maria della Steccata in Parma is a striking Renaissance Baroque church built between 1521 and 1539 on a Greek cross plan to enshrine a venerated Marian image once fenced for protection. Inside, its lavish interior displays stunning frescoes, including Parmigianino's celebrated Three Wise and Three Foolish Virgins, and serves since 2008 as a minor basilica and home to the Constantinian Order of St. George. The Palazzo Ducale di Parma, commissioned by Duke Ottavio Farnese in 1561 and designed by Vignola, rises elegantly within the Parco Ducale gardens as a symbol of ducal grandeur and Renaissance architectural finesse. Decorated with Mannerist stucco and frescoes by artists like Agostino Carracci and Benigno Bossi, the palace today houses the Carabinieri and preserves its historic interiors and monumental staircase framed by 18th century embellishments. Thank you for watching.